Congratulations! You are learning English with VOA Learning English. Try the quiz to test yourself. Then, look at the list below and see how much you are learning. Come back next week to see more of Anna and her friends in Washington, D.C. Lesson Review. Here are the lessons and learning points. Write to us in the comment section to let us know which you like best. Lesson 10. Come over to my place. Grammar focus. Locating places. Imperatives. There is, there are. Topics. Giving directions. Sequence of events with then. Learning strategy. Use images. Speaking and pronunciation focus. Giving simple directions. Using rising intonation to check understanding. Lesson 11. This is my neighborhood. Grammar focus. Prepositions, across from, behind, cardinal numbers indicating quantity, singular, plural introduction. Topics. Describing neighborhoods, asking for information. Learning strategy. Ask questions. Speaking and pronunciation focus. Expressing gratitude, emphasis on words expressing feelings. Lesson 12. Meet my family. Grammar focus. Auxiliary do and the verb make. Topics. Family members, family relationships. Learning strategy. Find and apply patterns. Speaking and pronunciation focus. Ask about a problem. Varied ways to pronounce aunt. Lesson 13. Happy birthday, William Shakespeare. Grammar focus. Frequency adverbs, cause and effect phrases. Topics. Usual and unusual activities. Learning strategy. Make an inference. Speaking and pronunciation focus. Using frequency adverbs to talk about cause and effect, blended sounds. Lesson 14. How about this? Grammar focus. Position of adjectives before nouns. Use of two phrasal verbs. Put on and take off. Topics. Describing clothing colors and sizes. Making a suggestion and giving compliments. Learning strategy. Personalize. Speaking and pronunciation focus. Making a suggestion. Using color adjectives with nouns. What do you think? How are you using Let's Learn English? Is it helping you to learn English? Please write to us in the comment section or send us an email. Take the poll to let us know the most helpful part of each lesson.